Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike York. Today is Thursday, December 3rd. Hope all is well with you guys. As you can see here, we have two items here on the economic calendar. We'll start off with what we get every Thursday, and that is the initial jobless claims. As I mentioned this week, we'll have the jobs data. As yesterday we saw ADP. Today we'll get the initial jobless claims, and tomorrow we'll get the BLS report for non-farm payrolls. Last week, we got the report at 778,000 people applying for unemployment. However, that did get revised. It's not showing on here, but it was revised higher to 787,000. Forecast for this week was supposed to come in at 775,000, and it came in much lower at 712,000. So, good news overall that we're seeing fewer people going on to unemployment here. And not only that, we're actually seeing people come off unemployment. This is the continued claims. We had 6 million in last week's report, and it came in lower down to 5.5 million. So we're seeing people not only less people applying for it, but people getting off of it, which is obviously good news. Last but not least, we got the ISM's non-manufacturing or services industry PMI for the month of November. So our last report in October was at 56.6. It was supposed to decrease down to 56, and it slightly came in pretty close at 55.9. So this is the service industry, and this came in for the month of November. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the headline news. Stocks are up this morning. It's kind of taking its cue mostly from the headline news, or from the data that we just covered. We're still kind of looking at, of course, the spike in COVID cases, possible more lockdowns that we've been hearing from across the country. We're talking about the vaccines. So we still got a lot of stuff kind of going on there, but right now that stuff's kind of in the background, and they're kind of looking more at the data, which is so stocks are up as a result of it. We're starting to see some highs again on the S&P and NASDAQ in those cases. Let's jump ahead here, see how this is playing out in the bond market and what mortgage rates are doing. Right now we're up about 3 basis points. So we're kind of the same boat where we were yesterday. So we didn't really have any movement yesterday. We are down. So mortgage rates remain unchanged from yesterday's pricing. Yields are down a bit, so they're down to about 0.92, which is good news for us because that puts less pressure on mortgage-backed securities, therefore helps with interest rates. So we'll see. We got plenty of room here. We're kind of in this no man's land, and right now we're coming up on the 25-day moving average, coming up to this technical level, which will give it a double layer of support. So that could give it a little bit more support where it could be difficult to break below if that time comes. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap for the day. If you guys are in the market to look for refinancing or purchase, I have some information if you guys got questions about anything. So stay tuned at the end of the video. Also in the description, I'll leave a link to a site you can go and collect that might answer some of your questions. If it doesn't answer your questions, please feel free to reach out. My contact information will be on there. And a little bit about myself. I am a loan officer, and I do work with a national lender, so we can certainly help you out with your refinancing needs, whether if you're looking to lower your interest rate, if you're looking to need to take money out of your property for certain things, for debt consolidation, maybe home improvements, et cetera, or if you're looking to go from like a 30-year fix to a 15-year fix, we can help with those, as well as those who are looking to buy, looking to need to get pre-approved. We can help with the pre-approval and finance that next property. So please feel free to reach out anytime. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.